Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to resolve issues with redeeming your Roblox gift card. So if you're facing difficulties with redeeming a Roblox gift card, there could be various reasons behind it, and I will guide you through the correct process of redeeming a gift card. So what you have to do is open your computer's web browser and make sure that you're logged into your specific Roblox account. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, click on this Roblox icon, and from the drop down, click on Redeem Roblox Codes. Then you will be taken to another page for redeeming your Roblox code. Simply type in the code in the designated area. In order to successfully redeem the code, click on Redeem, which is highlighted in the black color. This way you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. But if you have been facing a problem with it, you can simply go ahead and visit roblox.com support in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will be taken to the contact us page, and from here you are supposed to fill out the support form with your username, your email address, and the description of the issue. Under the help category, click on the gift card and provide the details about the card. Reach out to the Roblox customer support for further assistance. So I hope this information helps you to resolve any issues with redeeming your Roblox gift cards. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.